A daughter complained to her father about her miserable life, tired of constant struggles. Her father took her to the kitchen and filled 3 pots with water. He placed potatoes in 1 pot, eggs in the second, and ground coffee beans in the third. As the pots boiled, the daughter impatiently waited, wondering what her father was doing. After 20 minutes, he turned off the burners and took out the potatoes, eggs, and coffee. He asked what she saw. She replied, "Potatoes, eggs, and coffee." He asked her to touch the potatoes, which were now soft. Then he asked her to break the egg, revealing its hard-boiled interior. Finally, he asked her to sip the coffee, which brought a smile to her face. The father explained that all 3 faced the same adversity: boiling water. The potato went in strong but became soft and weak. The egg was fragile, but the boiling water made it hard. However, the coffee beans were unique. They changed water and created something new. The father asked his daughter, "When adversity knocks, how do you respond?" Moral is that in life, it's not about what happens around us, but how we respond within ourselves.